Hello there, lovely people. So we're off out in the garden to do some more detecting. So wish me luck and see if we can find some goodies. See you guys in the next bit. Got ourselves another 80-ish number. 80s to high 60s. Killer signal. Right about there. Maybe we'll try here. Got a big old root going through. Right, let's hope. Crikey, that is quite a sizable root. Let's hope it's in the clod then. I have a sneaking suspicion it's not. But of course not. Right, is it findable at least? Right. I've got a sneaking suspicion that this... Right, so we're just under there. I'll dig it out and I'll get straight back to you. Right, after all that, it's just a bit of lead. Right, on to the next one. You hear some chatter. We were right underneath the wires. But yes, we have a signal down here. It's a belching signal, but it's very, very close to the surface. So I have very little hope that this is good, but you never know. We're right underneath a sort of evergreen bush, so there is never going to be any mulch from it. I'll tell you what, let's just do that because I can't fit under. And let's see if that makes a difference. It's a shame, you get a signal and you have to dig it. Oh, we're still in there. Does that mean we're big cat? Right. Let's see if I can sort of move some of the bush out of the way. Right underneath that big old root. Can I do it? Right. Nope. Ow! I think I live here now. Is that it? Yep. Got scrap pieces on it. Right, on to the next one. Sure this is rubbish because this is sort of rubbish central over here. But we're going to give it a bash. It sounds pretty good. '80s to '90s. It's a cracking signal, but this is also exactly where we found all of the all of the lead fishing weights. So I'm sure we're going to find one or two of those today. Alright, we have to... Oh. Come on, please. These darn roots. Right. Right, we're still in there. Right. Apparently we're quite a lot deeper, which doesn't bode well with how loud this is. Maybe we're on the edge, I'm not sure. Right, I'll pause here, dig it out some more and get back to you. Right guys, it's some sort of almost mood tube-esque item. I've found about 4 or 5 of these now. I'm assuming they're like sort of metal, but you squeeze them out and cure some sort of bovine or swine sort of issues. I'm not too sure. Right, On to the next central area, but we're in the mud, so we'll see what this one is. A belting signal, 80, 70, 75, belting. You cannot dig it, even though I know it's mainly rubbish up here. I'm going to find it's a pot of paint or something, but if you don't dig it, you just don't know. I'm 95% certain it's rubbish, but there is 5% that says it's not, and we are. So we're just some sort of, is that it actually? Excuse me, because that could be, yeah, so with some sort of lead piping, I'm assuming. It's very sort of, maybe copper? I don't know until I clean it up really. But it's quite lead in colouring, quite crude, very weighty. Right, on to the next one. Target just down here. Not the best target on the planet. But it's not very big, so let's give it a go. Right. See where we stand. Right, sounds like we're in the clod. Right, pause. Right, you lovely lot. So I've managed to find it. The in-laws came up, so I give you a little bit of a pause, but look at this belter. So you've got a bit of a spectacle buckle there. Cracking, it's even got the pin on it. I don't want to wiggle it too much, but it's still functional. You do not get it made like that these days. Look at that. Belter. Right, on to the next one. Hopefully that sets a precedent for the end. Right, a signal just here. Belter. Right there. Ah. We had a chicken in our house, if you didn't hear that. Right, well, it sounds a bit better. Right. See, my assumption was it was in this, but I've been wrong before. Come on. Ah. Full fat milk bottle top. Lovely bubbly.